Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to print an identity matrix. So let's start this with the program. Here in the first line, this defines a function print identity matrix which takes one parameter n. And in the next line, the docstring explains the purpose of the function and the parameter. Here, the purpose of the function is prints an identity matrix of size n into n, and the purpose of the parameter n is size of the identity matrix. Now, in the next line, this line checks if n is a positive integer. If n is less or equal 0, it prints an error message and exits the function using return. It prints please enter a positive integer for the size of the matrix. Now, in the next line, here in the next line for I in range, iterates through each row in the matrix. And in the next line, inner loop for j in range, iterates through each column of the current row. And in the next line, in the condition, if the row index I is equal to the column index j, it's on the main diagonal. So 1 is printed. Otherwise 0 is printed. And in the next line, end is equals to ensures elements of the same row are printed on the same line with a space between them. Now in the next line, this line moves to the next line after finishing one row, creating the matrix structure. Now we'll see the main program in the next line. The next line prompts the user to input the size of the identity matrix and the converts input to an integer using int. Here, for error handling, if the user enters a non-integer value, a value error is raised and the program catches this error and displays a message invalid input, please enter a valid integer. So let's check this program as we have to enter the size of the matrix. And I have entered 3 and we got an identity matrix. So thanks for watching this video.